If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Lido 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate through the necessary actions. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure you have received any verification emails from Lido. Sometimes, the verification process requires you to confirm your email address. Look for any messages in your inbox or spam folder. Step 2. Resend verification email. If you haven't received the verification email, go to the Lido website and look for the option to resend the verification email. Click on it and wait for a new email to arrive. Step 3. Verify your identity. If your account requires identity verification, make sure you have submitted all necessary documents. Check the requirements on the Lido platform and ensure that your documents are clear and legible. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Lido's customer support. Provide them with details about your account and the verification issue for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status on Lido 2026. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.